Hey guys, Chris from Flow Brackets. Today we have a GLA45 and I'm going to show you how to get rid of this big, oversized, ugly box and replace it with something like this. So the way our kit works is you need two parts. First, you need the plinth that replaces the factory box, which is car specific. The other part you need is the bracket, which is number plate specific. So to get rid of this, all you got to do is just take off all the screws that you see, they drop out and this can go in its place. So the way you fit this on, it's actually really smart. We've made it in a way where it's got these little pegs that fit in between there, and there's also a locating pin that goes in a factory hole. So all you got to do, line the hole, and it fits in one space perfectly. Texture a drilling point, take it out, tiny drill bit, and then the screw can go in. Now that we've got the big ugly box off, it's time to choose the right bracket to suit your number plate style. So what that means is, let's say you're running European plates, you got to grab a European bracket which bolts up to those holes. Standard plate, you grab a standard bracket. For this car, we're installing Victorian slimlines, so I've got an SL2 bracket which will match this. All you got to do is put the bracket into those holes and this will bolt straight up. I go to hear you guys in comments, oh, what about the hole left behind? That's okay. The kit comes with a plug, so you can fill it up so you're not left with a blank hole. And that's how you get rid of the big, ugly factory mounting box and get a nice, clean, floating look like this. Now remember, you need two parts. The plinth is car specific and the number plate bracket is number plate specific. So make sure you grab those two parts to achieve this look. So I hope you found this video useful and thanks for watching.